In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project timeline in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know how to set up a fresh chat, frame a clear prompt, guide the model to include dates, milestones, and dependencies, refine the results, and share the final timeline with your team. Start by opening Google Gemini and starting a new chat. A fresh chat keeps the context focused on your project and helps Gemini deliver a cleaner, more consistent timeline. If you're using the web interface, open a new conversation so your instructions aren't mixed with previous topics. Keep the window handy because we'll iterate in the same thread. Next, decide on the project and its main phases or tasks. Think through the scope from kickoff to delivery. Identify the big phases first, then list the tasks that roll up under each phase. Keep the granularity realistic. Tasks should be small enough to estimate, but not so tiny they clutter the timeline. Consider the overall time frame, whether that's weeks, months, or quarters, and any non-working days that might affect dates. Clarify milestones, like approvals or handoffs, that mark meaningful progress. Now write a focused prompt to generate the timeline. Be explicit about what you want included. Ask Gemini to include start and end dates for every phase and task, clear milestone markers, and task dependencies so the order and handoffs are obvious. Specify your project type or industry to guide assumptions such as software, marketing, construction, or research. Request a clear, easy-to-follow format, such as a simple table or an ordered list grouped by phase. An example prompt could be, create a project timeline for a 4-week marketing campaign with phases for planning, content creation, design, and launch. Include start and end dates, milestones for approvals and launch, and task dependencies. Present it as a table with columns for task, owner placeholder, start, end, and dependencies. Tailor the time frame, roles, and any fixed dates you already know. Review Gemini's output carefully and adjust tasks, dates, or milestones as needed. Check that dependencies make sense, durations are realistic, and milestones align with decision points. Consider resource availability and any external constraints. If something's off, ask Gemini to shift dates, extend durations, or reorder tasks. You might say, move the design review 2 days later and update all dependent tasks, or add a milestone for stakeholder approval after user testing. Finally, save or share the timeline with your team. Copy it into your project doc, paste it into a spreadsheet for sorting and filtering, or transfer it into your preferred Gantt or task management tool. Share the link or exported file so everyone is aligned. Keep the chat thread bookmarked for quick updates as your project evolves.